Yo, 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 what the deal? It's your boy x.e.l.o. Welcome back to the channel, y'all. Thank y'all for coming back. And if you are new here, definitely like, subscribe, hit the bell notification so that'll let y'all know when I drop another video. We all know you want to wait for another video. But today I'm just going to be making a beat. I'm going to try and make a banger. Let's see where it goes. Hope y'all along for the trip. Let's go. All right, so in here I am actually using Contact, and I have my Chord Genesis in here, and I kind of just started something, and I said, you know what, I think I should just make a video while I'm actually making this beat, because you just never know. So I did start this. Nice little 4-bar loop. Let's see where we can go with this. All right, so let's add another instrument. All right, so I'm gonna use this Vacuum Pro. I'm gonna have this sort of sigh. Let's kind of hear that sound. So I'm gonna mute the Contact one. I just pulled the MIDI over from it and put it onto the Vacuum. Ooh, that's fire, yo. All right, so let's see. Let's get another instrument up in here. All right, so I'm just gonna pull this. All right, so I just pulled this hi-hat loop over here into the track. All right, man, we just ready for some drums now. Let me just load up a drum session here. All right, so I have them up in the piano roll here. All right, so I just laid down these hi-hats here. Just to give a little more balance in there. All right. Nice. Added a little perk in here too. And I added the kick in here as well. Oh man, this joint is rocking so far. All right, so come back out of here. Let's add another instrument. All right, so I'm gonna actually run with the Labs piano, soft piano here, and let's actually drag this MIDI down to it, and boom, there we go. So last thing to add would be that boom, 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 that 808, man. Alright, so let's mess with the contact sound. Let's see if we have another sound for it. Maybe a synth. Turn Caribbean just that quick, huh? Everybody looking at me, they gon' get the shovel, tryna bury cats nowadays. You don't wanna mess with me though, no way. That y'all gon' stop the flow, Get the dough, Pockets getting fat and you know it's real. Show you how to do it, block 'em, slow and chill. Boy, it is too nice. Flow just on point, too precise. You don't really wanna step, I'll show you how to do it, dog. Don't make me have to grab the tech or the 9. Show you I'm so divine. You don't understand the production auto rewind. Gotta stop here with the beat. I hope I see y'all cats next week. Yeah. Hey man, I think that's it. I think that's it for this one. Hey man, if you haven't already, give it a thumbs up for the video. Make sure you like, subscribe, hit the bell notification so that'll let y'all know when I drop another video. And once again, it's your boy x.e.l. Peace.